Attorney, ano naman ang gagawin ni Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy kung siya ay ihalal bilang senador? Ladies and gentlemen, baka hindi po ninyo alam, well-educated po si Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. When you engage him in conversation, you would be amazed by how deep his knowledge about everything here on earth and even in heaven. Why? Because I have dealt with him up close and personal. Ang dami po niyang mga degrees, ang dami po niyang mga honorary doctorate degrees. May exhibit A na po siya. Ano exhibit A? When you decide to choose a person, kung desisyonan mo yung tao, ako, Lodi ako, tinuturo ko sa mga estudyante ko, look at his previous acts, simultaneous acts, and subsequent acts. Previous acts. Ano ba ang nagawa ng tao na ito? Bakit natin siya mabutuhan? Ladies and gentlemen, very simple. Look at SMNI. SMNI is one of the fastest growing media institution in our country today. Multi-awarded yan. Kaya nga, sinisira nila, sinarado niya. Kasi po, ito lang po ang media organization which gives out the chance that the truth will really come out in the news media nowadays. Look at KOJC. Ang KOJC is one of the fastest growing congregation in the world today. I am a Muslim, yes. But being a Muslim, meron kaming belief, meron kaming paniniwala, Surah 109, Surah Al-Kafirun. Your religion is your religion. My religion is my religion. I don't worship what you worship. I worship what I worship. Kanila po yun. Kanila na po yun kaya Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But I must decide based on the merits of a candidate. But I am more than convinced that this guy will do great in the Senate. Ano ba ang mga concrete proposals po niya? He wants to amend the Ombudsman Act. Anong gusto niyang gawin? Gusto niya na ang Ombudsman Act ay i-amenda at mayroon ng Truth Commission. Ano ito? Itong Truth Commission po, may mga investigators po that will look into each and every governmental transactions. At kung grabe yung korupsyon, ay ito pong Truth Commission ang magpa-investiga at mag-file ng kaso. Hand-in-hand with that, he wants to amend the plunder law. Kasi ngayon, kailangan ka pa magnakaw ng 50 million pesos bago ka ma-charge ng plunder. According to Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy, if we want to send the message across that we want change in our country, kailangan ibaba ang threshold not to 1 million, i-discuss namin ito with Attorney Vic Rodriguez, but to 100,000 pesos. And what is the message? The message is our country is suffering a cancer today, a social cancer. And what is that? Corruption has become cultural almost. Sa parang sa ating palagay, normal na lang ang magnakaw. According to Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy, baguhin natin yan, amendahan ng batas para matakot itong mga politiko at gagawin nila ano ang dapat nilang gagawin. What else? He wants to pass the Witness Protection Act, Whistleblower Protection Act. Yung mga tao may alam sa korupsyon, gusto niyang maprotektahan ito. Walain yung mga stringent regulations, mga stricto masyadong regulations sa Witness Protection Act para meron na silang proteksyon kung sila ay mag-witness pa. Ano ba? He wants to amend liquidation by certification. Ngayon kasi, ang mga congressional persons natin, mga senador, may mga intelligence funds sila, may mga pondo sila, they will just certify that the funds are spent in accordance with the law. Ayaw ni Pastor niyan. Ang gusto niya, liquidation